Hi, today I'll show you how to create your own token as a Flash token. In this example, I'll make a USDT token on ERC20. After you create this token, you can send it to Binance and also transfer it to gambling sites like Stake. Let's start the process first. Install MetaMask on Google Chrome extension. You need to deposit at least 0.05 ETH. This amount creates 50,000 Flash USDT tokens. Search Remix Ethereum on Google. Go to the Remix ID and create a new file. You can name it whatever you want. I'll name USDT.sol. Now copy all the Flash USDT code. Make sure you copy it completely. I will leave the link in the video description. Paste my code into the file. Open the Solidity compiler. Select version 0.6.6. Then compile your contract. Go to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. In the Environment drop-down, click Connect Wallet and connect your wallet. MetaMask is easiest to use. Once your wallet is connected, your balance showing here, enter your token name, Tether. Enter your symbol, USTD, click Transact. When asked for the max fee, round it to the nearest whole number. This first transaction usually costs around $1 to $2. Confirm the transaction and wait to complete. After it's confirmed, you'll see your contract address. Copy it and check it on Etherscan to confirm your contract was created. Now fund the contract. Send the ETH you want to use to your contract address. Remember, the minimum amount is 0.05 ETH. Wait until the transaction is confirmed. Then refresh Etherscan to see that your contract has funds. Now mint tokens. Go back to Remix. Your balance should show up there. Click Start. Enter the max fee and confirm. This step mints your tokens. Wait to confirm the transaction. Once it's confirmed, your tokens are created. Withdraw tokens. Now, click Withdraw. Enter the max fee and confirm the transaction. This step Flash tokens transfer to your wallet. After a few minutes, check your wallet. You should see 50,000 Flash USDT tokens if everything was done correctly. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Telegram.